Boy, all this reflection's making me hungry.
Hey, you!
Who, me?
Do you like pizza?
Yeah, I like pizza.
Do you want it now?
Yeah, I want it now.
Do you like extremely dangerous and sharp blades?
I don't know about that last part.
Well, I've got just the thing for you.
I think I'll pass
It's Daddi's
on blades.
Pizza.
3, 2, 1. Fuck.
Hey! Fuck! Hi, I'm Big Daddy, and I'm with Daddis Pizza's Research, Innovation, and Development team. What started as a small dream has developed into a multi-$100 industry. Today, I'm proud to present Daddis Pizza's patented Pizza Hook delivery service. Come along with me on our first delivery. Come on, what's the deal? Welcome. We've spent years doing research and talking to the people that matter most. You, the consumers, to make sure that we get our delicious, creamy pizza in your mouths.
Yeah, pizza. I remember the first time I had pizza, and I looked at that slice, and I think it was the most beautiful thing I have ever seen. And you pick it up, and the cheese is dripping, and the pepperoni is sizzling, and that bite, the first bite, it's really a moment to savor every time you get pizza. Yeah, and I get really emotional when I think about pizza, because it means a lot to me, and it's really my favorite activity. And just give me pizza any time of day, and I'll probably eat it. Yeah, my favorite place. Oh, I remember. It's just this much crust, this much cheese. Good times.
Sick. Awesome.
What I love most about
Daddi's
pizzas is that
Daddi's
they're making it themselves and providing to the
Daddi's.
It's a very communal kind of thing, and you get to watch the process and pick your own ingredients, and it's just such a satisfying feeling to know that it's made out of love from
Daddi.
to
Daddi's.
and yeah, it's also very tasty. And I think especially this year they've done a very good job at balancing out the toppings with the sauce, with the cheese, and it's perfect.
Daddi's Pizza was one of the best experiences of my life. I took my family and we had a great time. The pizza was really creamy. There are a good amount peanuts, and I got satisfied and almost bought more. I would definitely recommend Daddi's Pizza to anyone, unless they want to not eat pizza.
Oh, it's off.
Lance, come back.
Oh my god!
How's it going?
This is precision Daddi's Pizza technology here. Never before seen. Don't try this at home, folks. Experts only.
Festus, that is your fortune.
Rush out to the oven.
Big Daddy. The original Daddy.
Whenever you're ready.
Go.
Our patented Daddi's Pizza Hook drone delivery service will make it through all kinds of obstacles, whether it's weather, bees, babies, homeless people, or all the above. Well, I bet you're wondering, how can I get my Daddi's Pizza today? Well, using our patented Daddi's Pizza process, it's an easy thing to do. First, you start off on our simple and user-friendly website. It only takes a few minutes to set up your order, and then 4 to 5 business days to arrive. And then you sit back, relax, and prepare to be pampered.
But Big Daddy, where do pizzas come from?
What? Well, that's a great question, Timmy.
First, we start with our gooey dough. We spread it out in a nice circular shape. And then using our patented Daddi's Pizza ladle, nice hard and smooth ladle, we spread the sauce, our saucy sauce, all around, making sure we don't leave one part of the pizza uncovered in sauce. And then we layer on an icky, gooey cheese, scrumptious, that just seems to melt in your mouth. It'll make you ooze in anticipation. And then to top it off, you get to select all your favorite toppings. My mouth's just watering at the thought. We're in the process of making our very first delivery with the Daddi's Pizza's patented Pizza Hook drone delivery service. Let's check in on the progress now. Yes!
Heh. There goes that new pizza delivery service. Those boys really seem to be figuring themselves out. Carol! Carol, get out here. The boys got this shit together. Can you bring my fucking cigarettes too? I wanna watch this fucking drone fly by. Carol, get your shit together.
Yeah, Mom, I don't know what's going on. She's just not talking to me anymore. Like, it's just kind of, but whatever. I told her, like, I'd go out and get lunch with her, so I just, like, went out and...
Call the number on the screen now to get your orders of Daddi's Pizza. But wait, that's not all. If you order now, you'll get a free order of Daddi's spicy meatballs. Are you sure about that?
Prepare to be pampered. Daddy's cream cheese and pizza.